Now well done o. Now chapter 6 now we go talk about today. And the topic now, when God come call Abraham. Another time come reach where one of Noah in pikin name, when they call Abraham, come they stay for one place where they call Aran. Abraham na better person. He like God well. He sabi obey God well too. He can't get a wife, and name na Sarai. Two of them don't old well, and they don't get any pikin at all. God like Abraham well, so he dey follow am talk like him own friend. One day, Abraham just sit down for him own. Na him God come tell am say, make he carry himself and him family, make them comot from where they dey stay, when they come go another place where they call Canaan. He say he go show them the place, and he come also tell am say, if Abraham trust am well, he go make am the papa of plenty pikin. As Abraham sabi trust God well before, he no even question am. He just carry himself, carry a wife, carry all the property wey he get, and he can't even carry a brother pikin wey they call Lot. Waka dey go where God say make they go waka go. The journey no be small one. He had am well. Abraham and the family go through so many tough times, but God just continue to dey help them all the time. He come carry Abraham and the family for many years before they come reach the place where God say make them carry the reach. When they reach there, they come settle for the place. God come bless them well for there. But as time come dey go, Abraham come notice say they no get enough food and water for all the plenty people and animals wey dem don get over the years. Abraham come tell him brother pikin Lot say make them separate, so dem go get enough food and water for their separate family, since na so quarrel dey quarrel every time when they go chop food for outside. Naomi come say make Lot choose anywhere where he wan stay. Wherever Lot take, him Abraham go take the other side. Na him Lot come look the land wey dey for the east side, wey they call Jordan Valley. As the ground green well, many better food just dey grow for there pass where dem dey now. Na him he come say na that side na him and the family go stay. Abraham, Sarai, and all the people wey dey follow am come stay for the other land wey they call Canaan. When Lot don comot, God come carry Abraham go one high place. Say make he look far well o. Say he go give am all the land wey he high fit see. Go reach the place where he high even not fit see. And all the pikin them na them go own all these places when they tell am. God come look Abraham. He come promise am say make he no worry o. Say even though he no get pikin now, he go give am plenty pikin wey go full all the earth. Dem go many like dust wey dey for ground. The pikin wey he go get they no go fit count them at all. Just the way they know they fit dey count star wey plenty for sky. He come also tell am say his name no go be Abraham again. He go come name am, make his name come be Abraham. He come also say his wife Sarai, his name no go be Sarai again. His name go come be Sarah, because both of them go be papa and mama of plenty pikin for many years to come. And so God come to bless Abraham dey go. Now there the story come end for today. We go talk again another time. Thank you.